Hey, Ed here from Jonard Tools. So today I'm going to introduce you to our latest new product, the MRS-24 magnetic cable retrieval system. This product is perfect for fishing cables through walls. The product comes with magnetic retriever, ball chain, hook, and a little handy pouch to store the product. The product's simple to use. Here I have a see-through wall to help demonstrate the product. First, drill a hole through the top plate. This has already been done. I have a hole over in the corner here. I also have a retriever hole at the bottom of the wall. So now I'm going to take the ball chain and snake it through the top hole. So I have the ball chain here. I'm going to drop it into the hole. The chain has a 3/4 inch ring at the end to keep it from falling through the hole as long as you drill the hole less than 3/4 of an inch. Now we simply take our magnetic retriever, we can stick it right at the hole and pull the chain through. So in this case, this was pretty easy because the ball chain fell right in line with the bottom hole. But what if the hole is not in line, you didn't measure correctly, and the chain is all the way over here? This is where the magnetic retriever really shines. So I'm going to take it, see how flexible it is. So I've made the magnetic retriever into a shape of an S. I'm going to stick it in the hole and just start swinging it around until I grab the chain. In this case, I got it right away. I can bring it up to the edge and I can use the hook to pull it through. Okay. But ideally, we don't ever want to lose the chain and have to go back through it again, so the hook helps with that. Thank you for watching our video. Please like, share, and comment below. Hit the subscribe button to hear about the latest innovations from Jonard Tools.